Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the phone, plug it in if battery is low, and pick the remote tool. Once done, install the app and sign in with an account. This links devices and provides authentication. Make sure to grant screen sharing, accessibility, and microphone/camera permissions so the service can capture and transmit your screen reliably. You do this now to avoid interruption later. Permissions are the why. Without them, remote control or view will fail. Once the app is ready, open it and create or copy the session ID and set a strong temporary password for the current session. Next, configure connection quality. Choose auto or 720p if bandwidth is limited, because resolution versus speed matters for responsiveness. If you need ongoing access, enable persistent access and set two-factor authentication to protect the link. Make sure to test a short connection to verify cursor control, file transfer, and audio pass-through work as expected before proceeding. You finish by accepting the incoming connection and confirming any remote actions before granting full control. This protects your privacy. Use file transfer, clipboard sync, and in-app chat to coordinate steps and avoid mistakes. When done, end the session and revoke persistent access if it was temporary. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices, check firewall or data restrictions, verify session ID, and re-grant permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.